Viewers, I need to ask a question. Is Vybz Kartel music lost for 2020? For me, no. Watch your style here. On a comment and let me know, because me realize Vybz Kartel is getting downplayed for 2020. Like how? Get your pre? I can tell you first song. You see that song I just played in the intro? I mean, I report, but the real song name, you know, When You and Me. Yes, the other dropped last year, October. But that would not be qualified for a 2019 song. It's gonna roll over to 2020 because song that dropped October this year, people roll it out for 2020. You get your free? And this song by Vybz Kartel is on Tanisha album that was released in January. And you know, it went on the R&B hip hop billboard. Yes. And you know, Vybz Kartel dropped Body of Works for 2020. 2 albums. Because don't forget, Tons and Divas. And string of singers. Yeah? If you should look on it, both sides, in a real life, alright, Vybz Kartel would not have a song of the year. But Vybz Kartel is in the top 2 artists for 2020, yeah? But I want the people to comment and let me know who are the top 5 artists or top 10 artists in dancehall for 2020, because soon forward with a video, but we just want, what you call it, some more information what the people think. You catch your pre? Yeah. Before I finish talking about the Vybz Kartel situation, you know, so I go on. Busy signal, tick 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 tock, is being used by Rihanna. Yes, blood scene Riri. Big superstar from the Caribbean, from Barbados. You know, in the States. But most people can't vote to say right now she is in the UK. A long time she didn't release her music and she still a dominate people. She you call real superstar, legacy in music, everything in one. But recent years she's focusing on her clothing line, a bag of things. And right now the ads for her clothing line, you can hear the busy signal, tick 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 tock. The sample. It is a good look for dancehall viewers. If you never know that Busy Signal song they found out probably 12 years ago by VP Records. And it'll show you again when song great, when song hit. And numbers on YouTube have nothing to do with that song, because it's supposed to have around 5 million views. And one would have look at that and say, oh, that's not going nowhere, but guess what? 12 years ago. And Rihanna is one of the best out there, if you never know. But I will leave it right there. It is a good look for dancehall. Big up Busy Signal viewers, I tell you no. Some wicked things that may go on, I think a joke. But as I said, Vybz Kartel now. I realize the 2020 Vybz Kartel I get downplayed. No jokes about it, yeah? Because when we say look top 10, I see Vybz Kartel around number 8 or 7. Well, I'm gonna check. Oh yeah, Vybz Kartel is at number 7. Well, I'm gonna tell you on a loop. Top 10. Watch your style. Sean Paul number 10. Massacre number 9. Spice 8. Vybz Kartel number 7. Popcorn number 6. Number 5 Skilly Bang. Number 4 Buju Bantam. Number 3 Intense. Number 2 Shensia. Number 1 Coffee. Alright, as you all know, everyone have their own opinion, but through this, Coffee 2020 that's a drop 2 songs roughly, and Coffee have one of the biggest songs of 2020, Lockdown, competing with Shensia, Lighter. No jokes about that, cause we keep it fair. Most people right now will tell you they can't have Coffee number 1 because I can't use 2 songs or 1 song and put she over artists that drop album, yeah? Album go on all different types of billboard. I'm referring to popcorn, plus singles that run in the place. So I wouldn't have Coffee at number 1. No jokes. I would prefer to put Shenseea at number 1. Because Shenseea do it for 2020 viewers, yeah? Because if Shenseea have a song that compete with Coffee song lockdown, plus everything what Shenseea dropped for 2020 hit, nothing no miss. One can say there weren't any crossover songs at 2020 in dancehall. You get your breed? When you're supposed to know when a song crossover. You see it? Buju Bantam dropped 1 album, yes. Nominated for Grammy. What else has Buju Bantam done for 2020? Comment and let me know. Is Buju Bantam strictly dancehall or strictly reggae? Or he did both for 2020? I wouldn't have him there. God no. No jokes. And if Spice is on the list, Alkaline should be on the list. No jokes. No jokes. May I keep it fair? Yeah? No problem with Popcorn on the list. Skillibeng, Intense, Sean Paul, no problem. But the numbers them can change. You see it? No jokes. Comment below, let me know what you all think. And I soon drop my list. I soon drop my top artist and top song, but just comment and let me know your picks. But this list loop drop, I don't agree with it. It's your opinion and it's my opinion, yeah? No way Coffee can be there at number 1. You understand? With 2 songs over Shenseea. No. I would prefer to see Shenseea at number 1. You understand? And as me tell you now, the work of Vybz Kartel put in for 2020, Vybz Kartel supposed to in the top 2, top 3. Yeah. I'm not ready to tell you where he is on my list, but Vybz Kartel, it's mandatory for him to be in the top 2 or top 3. No jokes. 2 albums, 1 go on Billboard, plus string of singles. What more than that? Yeah? Not all of the songs them do the damage, but most of the songs them do damage. So I don't understand. So I need you know to comment and let me know what you think. And be honest. Just be honest. That's it. Out.